just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
So hello everybody, this is the second day in Baksa District. The exact location of this place is Dwijima River. This is 35 kilometers from Patsala. You can come to this place through Bongaon, and this is on the way to Dumni. And we are going to have fun and see around the beautiful places here.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good.
Now let me also dip inside. Let me also dip in water. Fun-loving guys of Bongaon village. Oh, handsome bro. Bro, enjoying? Enjoying? Oh, bro, enjoying? Oh, bro, enjoying now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Really satisfying pulling down ourselves in Dwijima River. Oh.
How we got here, cause you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown, but we both know how to swim.
Stones are very slippery, we have to be careful. Oh my god. Oh! Hit! Thanda, cold. And bro has selected his perfect place for sleeping. Oh!
No need to go to beach.
Yes! We have perfect beach here.
No need to lie down in the beach.
Yes!
Right place for sleeping.
Yeah!
Mingga be munda goromo hoy.
Everybody is young, refreshed after taking bath here. Another beautiful natural place in Baksa District, in the river side of Dwijima. From this river also we can see the clear view of Bhutan hills that side. I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to live my way and never back to you. This dish roasting meat is very common, and that is what we love also. And our party starts with this. Oh. You look Bhutia, man. You look Bhutanese. Are you from India, bro?
Yes, of course I'm from India.
How's the taste, bro? Hey, bro, how's the taste?
Yeah, yummy man.
Yummy, yes.
Yeah.
The eater of pork can understand the delicious of pork. There is nothing better than pork.
Oh. And this is another worth visiting place in Baksa District near Bongaon village. And it is very interesting to see also, because we can find some farmhouses beside, cattle farms. And here how they live here. The nearing villagers come here and keep their cattle. And now it's time for the cattle to come back home after grazing in different parts of this jungle and riverside. And we are told that each cattle farm has got 30 to 40 cattle. And see how lovely they are, how beautiful to see. Wow.
and salt is given when they are back.
And curds are available in the farm area. Actually, I'm going to take this one, curds of buffaloes, curds of buffaloes. Perfect taste. And this bro is still mixing. Oh, moja bhal re tu bahut bhal. Uncle's name is Boygundo Ras Bungsi. He is another supervisor of this cattle farming in this area. Another uncle decide. Oh, ki khobor dada? Bhal na? You can see how this uncle is sitting. Ready-made, naturally ready-made. Ready-made object to sit, ready-made equipment. They are so kind enough. Whenever visitors come, they provide a very good quality milk tea. Dada ki naam apnar? Tilok Bormon. Koita ase apnar voice? 3 And they are having tea here in the farmhouse on the river bank of Dwijima. How is the tea? Oi, gumai mujang saya? Buria? Yeah, good one, no? Good one. Okay. Oi, bro. Handsome bro. How's the tea? Mabedi? Acha.
Our Namoni অঞ্চলত বিরাট পানী হয় পানী হোৱাৰ কাৰণে তাত ৰাখিবৰ জায়গা নাই ৰিজাৰ্ভ বিলাক বানপানী হৈ যায় হয় তাৰ কাৰণে আমি ইয়াত আহি এই মবিলাক চৰাই থাকো
This camera I want to try sleeping in the farmhouse bed. Wow. Bed is very strong. Pigs, no, properly. Very strong here. Not even shaking at all. Wow. Good on the bed of farmhouse. Very nice here because we get very fresh air.
जोंनि लकेल जायगा बियो जों बेयाव फैदों मानि थाखाय फैदोंब्ला जों मोनसे बेयाव जोंनि एरियायावहाय मैसोनि मोनसे फार्म दङ बेखौ जों नायनो फैदों
In-law is telling that now anybody can come in this place, can visit, but there is no any tourist guide. Tourists here, it is a little difficult because the roads are not good, and through the villages you have to take some small roads. So if you have anybody in Bongao village or somewhere in Baksa district, you can contact them and you can reach this place.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this.
And thank you so much for watching this video till the end. See you in next video. Bye-bye.